everyone, welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Insufficient water dries up water reservoirs of MEECL. A mother of two claims the Mrs. Volkstar 2023 in Jaipur. Lintijam women footballers from Ribhoi claims victory for the state. And one-line question instigates a disturbing action. Another news in detail. Meghalaya is experiencing acute water shortage due to the insufficient water and the drying up of water sources all over the state. The reason is basically due to the change in climate conditions, which is evidently due to the actions of man himself. The monsoon season this year could rightly be called the dry season since there was no proper rainfall in the past week. This climate change had affected the MEECL and people had been experiencing load shedding in the past few weeks. The Minister of Public Health Engineering, Marcus Marak, exclaimed that the main reason of the scarcity of electricity is due to the drying up of various water sources which fill up the water reservoirs of MEECL, and through the support of the Asian Development Bank, the state and the MEECL had given their all to preserve and improve the water sources all over the state.
Drying up issue is of we all know that it is because of the global warming that is happening around us. So department has taken not only the PHE, there are several departments from government of Meghalaya. Government is taking all sincere effort to retain the catchment areas and to build that. Government has taken steps in soil and water conservation also. Through ADB funded funds, we are trying to construct check dams, reservoirs, so that we hold the water table in the ground. So we are taking all steps to retain the water level in the soil. I don't have the figure with me right now, but I can give you example of some of the issues in Garo Hills. There are projects where department has already completed, but because of the drying up of the catchment areas, at the intake point, no water at all at this juncture. So therefore, it is not possible from the government side to give the water where the catchment areas are being dried. So I would appeal to you again to bear with the government for some time, and once the monsoon resumes, I think all the catchment areas will be regained. Department is doing their level best to sort out the issues that are coming out. So department is all out to solve the issues. Of course, there were some shortages because of the shutdown. Because of the shutdown, there were some problems. Otherwise, shutdown and breakdowns of lines. That is why the problem were there. Otherwise, department is trying to solve the issues at the earliest. It was like this, last time there was a shutdown of a 33 kV line, I think, because of some stringing of the some power grid there. So because of that, there was a shutdown, and because of that, some problem in the supply of water supply schemes. Otherwise, now once this are restored, everything will be resumed. It will resolve now, so it will be starting very soon.
Despite being a mother of two and a busy working woman, a lady from Shillong, Sangeeta Marak, was crowned as Mrs. Volkstar 2023 in a beauty pageant which was held in Jaipur from 14th to 16th of April. Speaking to media persons, Marak informed that she had cleared the audition online and later was nurtured by Vogue in Jaipur to represent the state of Meghalaya and enter in the Mrs. Volkstar 2023. She added that in the competition, there was no physical criteria as contestants were being judged based on public speaking and communication skills, confidence, ramp walk and makeup, among others. The beauty pageant had two categories, which includes Miss and Mrs. Volkstar 2023, and she competed the competition as Mrs. Volkstar 2023, in which she was declared a winner among the 500 contestants. I am very happy to represent the state and to have won the Mrs. Volkstar 2023, and I will continue to compete in other beauty pageants in order to encourage other women to follow their dreams, exclaimed Sangeeta Marak.
Sangeeta Marak, as my friend has just introduced. There was this pageant called Miss and Mrs. Volkstar, which was held in Jaipur on the 14th, 15th and 16th. It was a 3-day extravaganza, and they started this entire process in the month of sometime in January. So they held an online audition. This entire thing was held virtually actually. So it was an online audition, and I cleared the auditions. And after that, our grooming and training sessions began. And as an individual, I learned a lot of things through this pageant. It's not just a pageant, but a learning process. I believe learning never stops. So whenever we get any opportunity to learn and hone our skills and create unique identities for ourselves, I think we should just go ahead. Be it a pageant, be it any experience for that matter. So as a person, I was always inclined to beauty and fashion. As women, we all love anything that has to do with beauty and fashion. So obviously when I came across this platform online, I just went for it and I registered myself, and the rest is history. I learned a lot of things. There were plenty of experts in the team who gave us training on communication skills, makeup, ramp walk, fashion. This entire process has taught me how to love myself, how to take care of myself, and how to be self-confident. And Volkstar is a platform for women, by the women. And they're not looking for physical attributes. And the founder, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, has basically broken the norms of stereotypes that whereby in pageants they look for a certain height, a certain shape, a certain figure. Next step is to, if women come to me and ask me things, then I'll definitely be there, inspiring. Shillong, our state as a whole, has a lot of beauties, a lot of women who are really, really beautiful. So I think I can be an inspiration to everybody, in fact mothers or girls who are single, that if I can do it, if I can go out there and win the crown for my city, you can do too. So nothing is impossible basically. It's all about building our confidence, going out there and competing, and not just sitting back and thinking that no, I cannot do, or I can't do this, it's impossible. I believe nothing is impossible. We just have to go out there and be adventurous and just be ourselves, just be happy, as long as what we are doing is not harming anybody. I think we have the right as human beings to be happy and to make our city proud, to make our families proud, and that's what I've done for my family, for my city. I'm very happy to have been selected as Miss Volkstar India 2023. It was held in one of the best resorts in India, Lee Meridian Resort and Spa, Jaipur. 3-day extravaganza, and I got to meet a lot of people. I met all the professionals who trained us during this entire event. They trained us on various disciplines. I got to meet them personally, take photos and learn. Absolutely. As a woman, I'm a single mom, and I believe being a single mom, I have a lot of responsibilities as a mother towards my family. But then I thought, life doesn't end there. We cannot just confine ourselves to family responsibilities. If we get opportunities, I think we should go out there and discover ourselves. And unless we do it, we wouldn't know what what are our capabilities. So this is the reason why when I came across the registrations, I just went for it. And my mother has been my biggest support system. She's always been there looking after my children whenever I needed to go out, or in fact whenever I go out anywhere, she's always been there supporting me, my every move, anything that I want to do. So this entire pageant experience is all about being ourselves. As a woman, the most beautiful thing as a woman is to be able to be ourselves and not having to be answerable to anybody, but just being able to do our own thing and be ourselves and do what we like and just be happy.
The Lyngdoh Football Centre, a team of football players from Ribhoi district, brought fame and glory to the state and the country as a whole when it received gold medal in the 3rd Indo-Nepal Youth Game International Championship held in Nepal from the 10th to 14 April, organized by the Youth and Sports Development Organization, Nepal. Sumarlang Swear, as the president of the group, spoke with the media persons and exclaimed that the women footballers of Lyngdoh had worked extra hard to reach their pedestal, and it is a proud moment for them to be able to represent the state and the country participating in the international championship. He extended his appreciation to the footballers of Lyngdoh who had brought victory to the state and country with the first position, and he expressed his happiness for the achievement that the Lyngdoh Football Centre had earned.
Football Centre menakani ka hadu khasau trik April ngiyo banwan nation benta haka youth game penyat ka Fit India Development Federation kabalalong ha Nepal haka ba ki players dan Lyngdoh Football Center kelayo ka nation benta ban mi khmat ya ka India bat nilayo ya ka gold medal je amar mi ban ne chatai nimla film da ayu yo play mula dengan kat bani nilai naik masuk bani lawan pai tu nak masuk. But haka juga pun nimla claim da ai play kini ki bring ki play dan benta bani ban poi shu kani ka thong. Bani kong ni ai play ya ka darbar Shillong Saiden bala ju dengan kat bani ka Saiden socio cultural and sport club but khamtam ki khna samla Saiden ki ba ailat bahai ki khna jungi banyak praktis aku tu Ramadan wat la Ramadan kalong kabarin te bun sin namar bagi praktis ki khna jungi te kitu khna samla kitu ban praktis hendai kimchu sobe te ki ailat ki khna jungi ban praktis bakla penlong yengi banginio e ka jinjob haju kaporu namla khandai de kerteng kerpang ye samla rapsang bagi jukat e nana ibala yarap yengi yaki arut fitness ban siu ka by register habaki lekai nangta ya iba meral bonds im MLA nongpo ibala yarap donation yengi nangta ya kong diamond sim bai le shitam palat haka bai dei ba kejing ya kendu jinge jingi sitai beri pisai la le shitam nangta bat baro ke bai dan keti klam den no kerteng ki mi bang dimla ban kan mau hang ni mo ya ka kerteng joki andre ki bai judan ren kan ban ni man kapot na benta ka Lyngdoh Football Center ba ngila ban yo ban simta haka ni ka youth game Indo-Nepal Youth Game International Championship 2023 Badru khamtam ya ki principal jeng school boker ke ba ki khna jemi ki school ila sha eki ba ki li sikuta le shu ne ki baro bangne nang ya snok tilang bani nang bing la ban kutiu ki khna jeng thani boy badru banra puram ya ka jala ya ka district bat ya ka India hi pura.
When the Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District and the Deputy Commissioner West Karbi Anglong District met on the 19th of April to resolve dispute and maintain peace between the two districts, the purpose was successfully served and the leaders left in a cordial atmosphere. However, the outcome of one question changed the entire outlook of the issue in Kanduli, which states whether Kanduli is part of Meghalaya or Assam, to which the DC of the West Karbi Anglong district replied that it is a part of Assam according to the maps of Assam. That one question brought disturbance between West Jante Hills and West Karbi Anglong when the residents of Kanduli announced that the Khasi Panar will be barred to enter Karbi through Kanduli, and the Karbi also will be barred from entering Meghalaya through it starting from the 22nd of April. The restriction will be called off until and unless the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council removes the entry tax gate which was set in Kanduli.
Tao nukong sengau ikubule mo ya ki dong pai ing kubor mi hida ka dor bar chnong Kanduli. Ta kamte ni por nga kalam hini ha ka tu sengi hat kendetrik wo yo tu kubor wa ka disi yong ka West Karbi Anglong wa da kam ko wa onggo ka Kanduli hi ha ko sa ka West Karbi Anglong. Jadi te dau to i ka mo chnong Kanduli penrem i ya gani jiklam yong ka. Hawileu on kamte litem I kamu chong Kanduli da penmi I kayu MDC yong ka disung council hajuai kamju le da yo I chitem kamu MLA yong ka nantiang konvensi ti bor kamju le new MLA da manu khot yong ka assembly Yong ka Meghalaya urok kobi. Ipertuj yong ni ubat raison khar chiying jan DM untuk tang hadis konsil untuk tang Shillong ngai yan suci hi le em pertuj yong o. Duk porman MCU kamu litem duk oman kau MLA le citem. Jadi tidak to I sengau skemi sengau celuri. Wah I kamu senong Kanduli hi yo yunong dikmat hakipor kelai nok sedin. Kamte ipun remi ya kedisi wo ong kremtik ba Kanduli hako West Karbi Anglong kamte bichar hidupi kam binong pai bin kubot ibu nito gun walai leliang ngakam saman senang go terenti bless you
way lagi member juga senang Kanduli ngam pendrem curi ke cingkran juga disi jongko West Karbi Anglong ka bakam rai ya ka Kanduli habs ko asam Dari kumbaga pau ba kam serum nasional Kanduli kadang don sega meni hadu ha 0 point. Tewat kani kesenong meniru kinong song jongka majority kidon di kadur thapot sa Meghalaya ki development ibobon ki akan wadi center kidon ki school kidon nang ta ki jingyo jongki yo khawison kidang ya pamlot na po Meghalaya. Teka cingkam ke jongka ka de cingkran lapla la ni ke cingkran bomtip ke jongka kat ke bor district kadang kam ba hadu Kanduli kadang te sebo asam te nagaliam jonga ku we ni nok song jong Kanduli ngap pendremcur ke cingkran jong disi namar ba kamtip wat kam shalom na po disi ru kang dindai ka cakai ka ba ka snong Kanduli hi kiwan thabut cha Kanduli hi ki cingmunta ki bobon ki yo na sarkar Meghalaya bat ni pendremcur ki cingbu jongka Karbi Anglong District Council ya ketika tax kit ke jongka hapo upot usam jong senong Kanduli namar ba ketika surok kamdei basna ka asam ban suyu tho ya disi ya bakamtip ya kata ketika surok de NEC road u balamang bala pentre de NEC tamba hapo kecing pentre jongka sarkar Meghalaya kam serum no ting nagate ke caka ka bakibu ya cakit ru kadang dei ke caka jong Meghalaya tiang nakara raungar yang ni ban penran cur ya ketika cingkran lapla jong disi bat ke cingla lapla jongka Karbi Anglong District Council.
The District Commerce and Industry Centre Tura organized the annual industrial fair on the 20th of April 2023 at Police Parade Ground, Tura, with the aim to encourage and promote the building local entrepreneurs of the region and market their products. The Deputy Commissioner West Garo Hills Jagdish Chelani inaugurated the 2-day Tura Industrial Fair, and speaking during the inaugural function, the Deputy Commissioner Jagdish Chelani extended his full support and cooperation to the participants of the industrial fair, and he appreciated their hard work and their vibrant role in displaying the products and market their art with passion. Delivering the keynote address, the Joint Director Commerce and Industry Centre DCIC Tura Pitoy informed that the department organizes the District Industrial Exhibition every year, and that the exhibition has been renamed as Tura Industrial Fair from the previous year. He added that the main aim to hold such exhibitions is to benefit the local artisans and participants and provide a platform to showcase their products in trade places where the buyers and sellers meet. Departments such as Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Sericulture and Weaving, District Horticulture, Tura Polytechnic, Food Processing, etc. participated, including local entrepreneurs from the Garo Hills region who displayed their products for sale ranging.
Angli bimung balgra M Sangma, anga functional manager, District Commerce and Industry Center, Tura ni. Ya Tura Industrial Fair ko chinga April Jani khulgrik aru khulgrik sauni onga tenga mijaloni aba chenga ha nemang dalde yan khulgrik saung e hajokana dalde yan last kupa salonggen aru chinga ko dal bisongko phalas manyo bangbate jogre phalas na kota mangen uni man chinga dalde yako chinga atham check bajuna khulinata ongen ya changba chinga Tura Industrial Fair ko onga tenga gni ba changna onga tenga ha nemang ya beside 60 stalls tongacham nemang ba 47 numbers te entrepreneur ni aro matam de chingni government department ang ko chinga okamat ta haba khura na gata ya fair na dingthang thang biaponi manderang phalas na gata iba ha yan local entrepreneur nga aro yan na gata mangen baras kapadang donga wata chinga nirang donga bolko sole repe thari abak prang donga aru iyarangoni nambat kabako chinga national level on barat gen je bamboo Kerala fest barat gen ba aro IITF na chinga bamko watat gen ti ya fero bak ragabarang ra west karusni aro south karusni matamrang donga jaktang ti thari phalas mani ko takabarang na chinga tengthang moncha loan rangko na aro bamona chinga training rangko ba onna
angni bimko roban di sangma mga ade hawa khana oniwa aji kabara emna northern hawa khana dongya daude aro yade group chingni group ni donga achik visual art yade donga no artist rani dingthang thang artist rang dingthang thang thumrang ni donga dibai no de bakra de chinga de spring hills nemna wa angpeni saksani imungo address so semna bakra ha niko de chinga dige exhibition gi antion wanga lobong jamaina aro jengja lobong jamaina chingan dige okamat ken chmo de chini group ni gata pangnan participate karonga nemna chinga yan order je ko order khagen warang khosan sale paint khairang longa nemna tau gata display khaude wan jol ranas ke baba manaya tam jerangan se dona chem dam rangko se dona chem warang khode rangna ta mana dibas am tambe dam se don gijak bade de display na mamang ko de collection antang tang jerangan namneka antang tang ni painting rangko phalas jachim wadak barang ko de ni dam se donja warang ko de machot khuja matamde machot to ba wa future antang ni museum rang chanchi barang dong barang de warang na ba tonninga halgi jag barang ko de ni tonninga angade antang de outside Meghalaya ode khuja ndiba painting rang de outside Meghalaya chin space ko nge wa order rang khagen chmo de barang na de khai nan paint khai nan onati
angni bimungde camellia singchila en sangma angni unit ni bimungde nengmenja industry anga 2006 oni angni unit ko abachenga ha ni jamano anga 2006 ni abachenge dengthang thang ya industry ni dakchakani ko manne mengna incentive barang ko manne thangkharang ko manne mengna anga lumrang ko bre mengna anga 2011 no training ko na 2011 training ko na rong ko na chum anga nengmenja industry ne mengna un baksana anga tailoring ko bon chapachum diba unuranga pharang ani gemen jamano anga ba nokthang chi na nga hani gemen nokon ti sa dak sang dong thon na ngemla taw anga gatal da ke dak thainga re chakha thainga dibangni unite wan apsana ge dong ya mana no mangbanga dokaya kana rang ko ba khai dokaya aro anga banga dawang ni employee rang sakhur kani de kerang donga win baksana ba ningthan tanga jacket tak barang ko ni ko de lady bag rang ko ni ko de tak manda set ni ko de skirt rang ko aro neke pandra rang ko je ko nan chung achak traditional dress ong achak pa ko na thariya frame rang ko banga thariya un baksana ba angni motif angni dakna angni ba angni chanchen ni tade anga anthangni achak kharang na panga training rang ko nemung na bisong ko nambat ta jangi thangani ko dakna gata bisong ko jothon khainga da obanga tailoring center ko klinam thainga ha neng menja industry ni mabao arang ni branch ke sa dong ha NI store jekon dao chalai nge ha chinga ba chinge ha start kai ha NI store de cha botik dong nokon dong nege mena unon chinga phalas mani rang ko daknya ha unon nege mena un maksana ba chinga thang grant tang na take up kai nga warang ko galenga sida ko de chinga mai kai nambate dal batin takna gatam gen warang ko makhangchi antatangni dakarkani ko repengna gata antatang warang ko joton kae mengna cetak ko dak khako tak chakna gata mangin dore khamrang ko manja hamo ningman nangna batang man somoyo chini DC gacham sapnen tembe bagana ngacham dakpa employee kae na de kemak kon ningman nang namai bagar dakchari kon gen de agana ngacham de be yang changjo dore di bang ngaya mamung ja anga khasne asni dakna gata joton khaenga mana mandi bo incentive ko san mana ing kuang ada do pete uni ko de bani ko mana ya handloom bani ko mana ya DHO handloom industry ya macam weaving handloom bani ko mana bisong department ko mana una gede manja da o deng thang mo prime rang na habi bi mabarang na changa joton khaenga.
Celebrating the World Earth Day, the Catholic Religious of India, in collaboration with 2 village communities on the 22nd of April, organized a cleaning drive along the main road and market areas of Nongpo, which was accompanied by the faithful of Catholic Church. Before the start of the program, there was a short gathering at the Muda Complex campus Nongpo to spread awareness on the importance of health and hygiene and its all-round necessity to preserve and conserve the environment. Witnessing the event includes Father Gabriel Jalong SDP, Sylvester Mensong, Village Headman Nongpo, Opal Lyngdoh, Village Headman Mauro, Sister Maria Suchiang, young students from St. Stephen's Convent Auxilium, members of the village community Nongpo and others.
Tekani kadai kasni kabakmen kasni bakrau nakabanta chi we piwe kamtam nakabanta chi ki CRI nongpo ki barakhe ki bashim khia ya kani kakam hakani kasni hapo kajinyalam jong I brother Sunil Brito bat ka community jong ki hero ni ai kuble I lemba kajintre shitom jong ki kane kasni kalong kabajab Shibun ki bangila ban yalap lani ban ai jimut ban ai jihikai ya kinong shong jungi ha kane kasni da kaba ngi perta ya ki slogan ki bapher abangi lami na ki ying ki sem jungi ngi wan ha kane ka jaka hangne ha ka muda ngi wan na ki ying ki sem jungi ngi perta da ki slogan lani ki jimperta ki ba khot ba wer ya ki para nong shong jungi balong ki ba le khuj ha ki liang baro sedang nadu ka ying ka sem ha ka imlang ka salang ha ka society ha ki jakayo kamtam ha bangila don ha kane ka muda kani gade ka jaka ha ka ba ngi iwe piwe ngi wan ha kane ka jaka ngimla banlai lem kane ka jaka.
Titos Khan, Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on the 21st of April, received a letter from the Union of Street Vendors known as the Meghalaya Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and the Street Vendors Association, who had accused that he violated the court order by removing the street vendors from their spots. However, from the part of the CEM, he clarified that he did not remove any street vendor, but their intention of inspection is just to check their trading license, especially migrants according to the rules the district council has. The removal was just made for the migrants who do not possess a trading license or permit. Titos made a strong comeback to the union by placing a question. For whom does the union want protection? Is it for the illegal migrant street vendors or for the local people of the state?
Yung ba nga penkenya ka court order. Ba ngilik kendang yaki basyong badak. Naku aban pensyai hang ni yakini ki yakini ka seng daga baburom. Nakaliang ka jungi ka council ka jinglet jungi ngim ong banlik kendang yaki basyong madan. Ngimlet ban evik yaki basyong madan. Nringilek evik ya ki brio ki bomdan license. La ki syong hamadan ne ki syong hadukan. ya ka jingshong madan ka council kamdan bor bantu kala kari ka district administration ya ka tangi sutu takadang kwa ban pensai gini dak ba syai la ka ni ka seng ka kwa ban yadai ya kibreu ki banabar ne ka kwa ban yadai kibreu lojong ka kwa ban bu kata ka jingkali balai kita ya ki ladangi ka district council ka penamkam ya kani ka an ka bagidon baki bar jela la ki syong hamadan ki syong dukan kimla ban khayi klem ka trading license te kata ka bang keren syai jadi ban suk tuai kata na kham let mangi ban kandang gi nong syong madan gi bade gi paradox nam la jong dengi ngi ong baki ba syong madan ki bade ki bar jela ki bomdan ni trading license kimla ban khayi hang ni kata di ka kamram ka bangi ngi le dengan so bagani ka jing tho chumpi ka long on call kamdan nong rem ba kamdan jinga dei ru bat kata ka kut order ka baki ki yo mo ka kut order khamong ta ya syong kat bamon ya le be an ka bamon khamong ta ka we have comply ya ka ka an ka bangi ni da.
So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.